Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have two really easy hijab styles without using pins. A lot of you don't like to use pins. I just don't like pins. I always lose them. Sometimes they stick into my skin or whatever, and sometimes I just don't like the look of a pin. So today I'm coming at you with two really easy styles that you can do under 1 minute without using any pins, using jersey scarves and looking pretty classy. I think these two styles are perfect for work, but also just for whatever other situation. These two styles would also just look good when you're wearing your blazer, classy business style. Yeah, that's totally my style, by the way. I don't know if you guys know that, but I just would love to always wear a suit. But then for women, do you also call it a suit? But you know, in different colors: red, purple, blue, yellow, nude, especially nude, black and white. That's just totally my style. But right now with Corona and quarantine, there's literally no reason to look like that. I'm just always in my pajamas or in my active wear for my workouts here in my bedroom. So anyways, too much speaking. If you guys want to know how I do these two styles, then stay tuned. So we are going to use jersey scarves. Since these stay on so good and so easy, for these you just don't need any pins. So this hijab is from Hijab Deutschland. I hope I pronounced that. Deutschland. Yes, Deutschland. So I will leave that in the description box. So I'm going to flip it over once and then I'm going to put it in the middle. And I don't like to show my cap. That's not really my style. And then I'm going to bring it down below my chin. And here I'm going to bring those two together and do this, like fold it again. So now I'm going to bring the right piece to the left side. And what I'm going to do to make sure that this won't open, I'm going to lay the scarf on top of this situation here. So now that's stuck. And I'm going to bring this all the way to the back. Leave that there. And then this side to the back. So now you can leave it just like this. Then you have the scarf looking like this, two parts to the back, which I also think is really classy. But then if you want to make it even more tight and secured and you're looking for a clean, simple look, then you could tie the scarf in the back like this, a little bit loose because it will not be comfortable, and then you're just going to tuck it into your shirt. So there you go. So I think this hijab is just perfect for work, when you're wearing a blazer. Have this really clean for your meeting, but also if you're just in a rush and you want to look neat, this style is just perfect. And then for the next style, I don't know where I got this scarf from. I think I just bought it myself in a little hijab store in Utrecht. What am I doing right now? I don't know why I'm trying to pronounce or Dutch cities here in the Netherlands with an English accent. So basically in Utrecht. This is again a jersey scarf, and now what I'm going to do is just not fold it, and also I'm going to have one really short side and one long side or long piece. I'm going to even make it shorter because this part is going to do the work. Again, bringing both pieces down here, and I'm going to fold it just a little tiny bit here. So one little secret that I always do, I do not fold my hijab here. I'm not going around my jaw because I don't like the look of it, because I feel like I get a square face from this. So what I do, I like to fold the hijab a little bit higher than the jaw. And now the cheekbones are more in the picture, or more in the open, and the jaw is covered. And I also like to cover my double chin with this. So if you think I look really slim, this is why, because I cover all of that with my scarf. There are so many benefits of a hijab, like bad hair day, doesn't matter. So I'm trying to motivate you guys, but I don't know if that helps. I'm going to flip this just like this so that it's a little bit more protected. So this is how you're going to grab the scarf. You have this part folded, and again, this is going on top of that, here below the chin, and this is going to secure that part. And then keep this part folded, going over your head. Now I'm going to bring the scarf all over your head. Then I'm going to stick the short piece inside of my clothing. Now, if you don't feel like your scarf is secured, you could always put a pin somewhere here in this part. Oh, by the way, don't mind this, I burned my scarf. So you can put a pin in here, but you don't have to. And then I'm going to just bring this piece to the back. And then again, a super easy style, no pins, looking classy, look like you've done something with your appearance. You know, you can also just put your scarf on, bum, clip, ready. But that literally looks like you didn't put any effort in it. This is also almost putting no effort in it. You can do this under 1 minute, but it looks super classy. What do you guys think of these styles? I really hope that I learned you guys some new styles. So I'm planning to show you a lot more different styles that you can do. Also because Ramadan is almost here, and I know that a lot of girls want to start wearing a hijab around that time, and don't know how to put on a scarf or do not know nice styles. So that's why I'm going to focus these coming 2 months on hijab tutorials. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.